Hi friends, this is Sagarika from Step Up English, extending a very warm welcome to all of my viewers on YouTube. Today's lesson is on bird idioms part 3. Well, all that being said, let's get started with today's lesson. A lame duck, meaning usually applied to politicians and office holders. Office holder who hasn't left the office after losing the election. An elected office holder currently in the last term who cannot run for a re-election due to inefficiency. An elected official who is inefficient. Usage. Should we have immense expectations from our current mayor? He's proven that he's a lame duck, absolutely inefficient at his work. He surely is not getting re-elected in the coming election. A little bird told me, meaning used in a teasing manner when someone doesn't want to let out the name or identity of the source of information. The phrase is used in a situation when a person knows of a secret and doesn't want to reveal the identity of that person who has shared the secret information. Usage. How did you know that I was leaving for another company? I haven't tendered my resignation yet. A little bird told me, said Lily with a smirk on her face. A rare bird, meaning referring to someone or something as unusual, a unique person. Usage. This book is a rare bird. It is a combination of various genres. Bird's eye view, meaning analyzing a situation from a comprehensive perspective, viewing of an object or place from a high elevation. Usage. A bird's eye view from the plane made Burj Khalifa look absolutely stunning and splendid. Chicken and egg situation, meaning a situation in which it is impossible to decide which of two things caused the other one. Usage. How frustrating is it to hear when employers overlook resumes of applicants who are fresh out of college? Don't we need to work to gain experience? This is a chicken and egg situation. Eager beaver, meaning someone who takes on more work than usual, someone who is always eager to carry out more tasks and offers help to others as well. Usage. Tom had to leave for his native place on an emergency, so Hillary came forward to take up his responsibilities while he was away. She's an eager beaver. Feather one's nest, meaning someone who takes advantage of a situation by appropriating money for one's own use. Someone who uses influence and power to enrich themselves, as in the case of the politicians. Beautify one's home. Usage. The school's principal tricked the finance team to divert the trust money into his bank account to feather his own nest. Fox in the henhouse, meaning someone with bad intentions, someone who causes trouble. Usage. Nitish is a fox in the henhouse. He gets his work done by his subordinates while he stirs up problems among his colleagues. Spread one's wings, meaning to experience new and exciting things in life. Usage. Maria worked for the same company for good 15 years. She has decided to quit her job and spread her wings to try out a new endeavor. Wild goose chase, meaning wasting time in search of something that is unobtainable, a hopeless pursuit. Usage. Tom's idea was considered as a wild goose chase by the investors. Practice lessons. No one should expect much from a lame duck prime minister who has shown signs of being ineffective at his work. A little bird told me that it is your birthday today. Many happy returns of the day, wished Namrata to Mary. The elected office holder tendered his resignation months after he got elected to the office. He realized that he was inefficient for the new post. He was a lame duck, said the personal assistant to the officer. As a curator, I couldn't take my eyes off the piece of work captured in one frame. It's a rare bird. The quarterly financial report was dismal. The CEO took the time off to analyze the current situation from a bird's eye view. The bird's eye view of the campus is splendid, said the student. Try avoiding Harish as much as you can. He is a fox in the hen house who looks out for opportunities to create problems among employees in this company, warned Anand. A little bird told me that you and your husband invested money in a luxurious property. This piece of art is a rare bird. The artist has unbelievably captured many emotions in one picture. Although Mr. Robinson was characterized as a lame duck by the opposition, yet he proved them wrong through his remarkable work and dedication towards the people and his country. He accomplished what the previous office holders couldn't do during their tenure. The secretary, who considered herself as beautiful, was on a wild goose chase. She assumed that one day she'd get married to her boss's son. Harish was relieved to learn that while he was away on an emergency this morning, Sheila volunteered to complete his part of the presentation while simultaneously working on hers too. She is an eager beaver. Anita decided to move out of her parents' house. She wants to spread her wings and live independently. 3 of Mr. Daniel's staff resigned a year into his joining. They say that he is a lame duck. A little bird told me that your business made a profit by 40% this year. What a great news! The color and the interior decor of this particular model is genuinely a rare bird. Buyers have been flocking to the store from the time it hit the market. You must take a bird's eye view from the top of the highest skyscraper in New York. The view of the city looks marvelous. The once elected office holder refused to vacate his seat for his successor. Why be labeled as a lame duck? It was exciting to see the interns volunteering to take on more tasks from the engineers so they could learn as much as possible during their internship in the firm. They are such eager beavers, said the CEO of the firm. Anil and Jay were best of friends until the latter realized that Anil was stirring up misunderstanding between him and his wife. Jay is a fox in the henhouse. Harish decided to start an enterprise 5 years ago. His parents and friends considered his pursuit to be a wild goose chase until he became a multimillionaire. A little bird has told me that you organized a wedding for free of cost. Is this out of friendship or simply helping the family who couldn't afford the wedding expenses? Asked Anand. The employee blamed the narcissistic personality of the manager as the real cause of the former's poor performance, while the manager pointed out to the absent-mindedness of the employee as the cause of poor performance of the employee. This is a chicken and egg situation, said the HR manager. Manisha is such an eager beaver. She impresses her boss by taking on more tasks. Nobody likes her for this reason. Addition of Anita to our family via a marriage alliance has caused us a huge blow. Arguments and fights have been constant. Relationships within family members and friends have turned sour. She is the fox in the henhouse who constantly makes an attempt to stir up animosity amongst others. Arpita once was an eager beaver. Her colleagues did take an advantage of her several times in the past until her manager made her aware of their intentions. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you've learned something out of it. Please like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon for future notification. Thank you all and have a nice day ahead.